Rekha Gupta is the new Delhi CM. Not Parvesh Kumar, not Sirsa, not Vijandar Gupta. Nari Shakti gets a huge push in capital. BJP elects its much-awaited candidate. Suspense over Delhi CM comes to an end. Rekha Gupta wins the race of frontrunners. Saffron Party's second woman chief minister. After Sushma Swaraj. Now Rekha Gupta. Rekha Gupta wins confidence of Modi and Shah. 11 days after Delhi announced its verdict on 8 February, the BJP has finally chosen Rekha Gupta as the leader of Legislative Assembly in the capital city. Rekha Gupta, who is an MLA from Delhi's Shalimar Bagh, emerged as the favourites among the frontrunners for the top position. Celebrations have erupted outside Rekha Gupta's residence, with supporters distributing sweets after her name was confirmed for the top job. BJP's decision to elect Rekha Gupta may have far-reaching implications. Rekha Gupta is the second woman chief minister in the national capital from BJP. Earlier, BJP's Sushma Swaraj served as Delhi's CM in 1998. With Rekha Gupta's name being announced, Delhi has seen 4 women chief ministers. After Sushma Swaraj, Congress Sheila Dikshit served Delhi for 15 years. Aam Aadmi Party's Atishi was made the chief minister in 2024 after Arvind Kejriwal stepped down. Choosing Rekha Gupta would help BJP woo half of the population of Delhi. Out of 70 seats, BJP had fielded 9 women candidates in Delhi, out of which 4 secured victory. In assembly elections, women voted more than the men. Saffron Party had also announced several women-centric promises in its poll manifesto. Unlike her other contenders for the top post, Rekha Gupta is not known for any controversies. Rekha Gupta's political journey began from Delhi University, where she was elected president of Delhi University Students' Union in 1996 to 1997. A lawyer by profession, Rekha Gupta was quickly rose to ranks in BJP and is currently serving as the General Secretary of Delhi BJP. The 50-year-old has also served as National Vice President of BJP's Mahila Morcha. In 2025 Assembly elections held on 5 February, Rekha Gupta defeated Aam Aadmi Party's Bandana Kumari by 29,000 votes. Gupta managed to secure 68,000 votes from Shalimar Bagh Assembly constituency. The outgoing Chief Minister Atishi has sent congratulatory messages to the CM-elect Rekha Gupta.